A time when you are at a newspaper stand, you notice that the way the newspaper are often arranged, the way the text and both the pictures are arranged sometimes look a bit different with our day-to-day use ones. So you may have different columns, these columns, a page, 5, 2, 3 columns, a page, some other places a single column, and so on. Absolutely, in this tutorial we are going to show you how you can do that yourself. So under Microsoft Word 2016, just open Microsoft Word 2016. Under your layout, can you see layout here? Come to the column. When you have that, when you come to the columns, you can see here in the column we have single. Single, as we know, is the regular one we use. But when you choose double columns, you can see what appears on my screen. So please allow me to take it to A4. That will make it much easier for us to familiar with. Alright, so now this is double column. We are familiar with this, so it's under these columns that we can choose that. You can choose 3, okay, just like we see in most of our newspaper. We can choose, okay, that this space should be closer, the line should be closer to one side. That means the left side of it. See what happens? The right side is wider, the left side is smaller. You can do this under column. The opposite can be the case if we choose the right side of it. So, but there are more we can learn or we can use when it comes to this column. So just come to the bottom where you see more columns. Click on it. When you click on it, it will allow you to customize to suit whatever you want. You could highlight the part you want to be double column instead of allowing the entire document to be double column, or the part you want it to be single column. You could determine, okay, these are the columns, alright? Now these are the width and these are the what? Spacing. How do I want it? You could choose. It's at your liberty. And you see that in the column 1 here, under the number 1, it's almost twice the second. You could change that. Okay? As you change, you notice by this side, you observe what is going on here. That you are actually changing where the line is when it comes to this. You can do it, can go otherwise. So this is where you customize that. You can go ahead and do more, and actually when you choose this, you are actually equalizing it. That means making it equal, just like we had at first. And if you choose 3 left and whatever we had at first, you can choose the area, the segment, the section to which you want it to be, and choose okay, this point forward. In this point forward, when you click on enter, you're actually making sure that not the entire document look the same, but some parts will look a bit different because of applying this point forward. Okay, you can see from the first page, second page, and some about the first 14 pages are actually single. But when you go down a little, you see it changed because of the setting we made. So that is how we use columns. Columns is very interesting and can actually beautify your work. You can actually highlight the area to which you want to apply, and it will be applicable to only that part instead of the entire document. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you do enjoy the tutorial, as you can see in this, the first page, because I highlighted only that part, and that is the only one that is applicable to at this point. So if you enjoyed the tutorials, please leave me a comment and subscribe, like the video, share this video so others too can benefit from it. Use column much fully. Hope to see you in our next tutorial. Bye for now.